I've been to these waterfalls before and vlogged it, but it was so hot, so just pulled in here for a quick swim and cool off, and then we'll keep on going down the road, I guess. Well, it's nice to meet you. Selamat. Yeah, I think. Selamat. Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. When?
Take it fresh, Queenie.
That one?
Okay.
Uyat ba, te? Okay.
I will see you soon. Bye bye.
Bye-bye, welcome. I will follow you.
Selamat ate. Philippines is so crazy. 1 minute it's so hot, next minute it looks like it's gonna rain. These clouds are coming over so fast. I think we're gonna get wet. Up to the waiting shed here. Only in the Philippines can it be so hot in the morning and then raining in the afternoon. The rainy season is definitely here, but because it started raining, we pulled into this waiting shed, and then talking to the two boys that were working just there making fish traps. They actually told us that there's a bullseye just up that road. And they're already waterfalled out, but I think we should go for a ride up there and just find it for the next time it's sunny. There's always an adventure in the Philippines. Oh, and also, check out, the other day we were showing you how to eat marang, but I don't think I've shown you the marang on the tree. Look at this. Oh yeah, these ones. Marang.
Oh, nakita siya ka ng busay.
Ah, well, see, if it didn't rain, we would have never come in this waiting shed, and then we would have never found out that there's a new bullseye. That's the banana they use for making shirts, isn't it, Queenie?
Yes.
Wow, look at that. We just pulled over for lunch. Oh, we got the fresh durian from the lady before down the road. And how's those views? They're just everywhere. Anyway, let's eat our durian and go find this waterfall. Oh, sana on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Can you imagine planting all that maize and having to walk up there to farm it all? That's crazy. Oh my god. When Koya told me to come down this track, as usual, I wasn't expecting this. Oh my god, look at this view. And then, as we pulled over to look, I was pulled over to look at that view. Queenie quickly showed me, she's like, look at the tumby, look at the tumby. And god, look at this tumby tree. Oh my god, it's loaded. There's so much on there. That rain we had made these tracks so slippery. Oh, it's like ice. Look at my front wheel. We're skiing. Oh my god. ¿Cómo está? Are we allowed to go to the swimming hole?
Sa Binaroto.
We can go? Okay.
Salamat po.
Salamat ate. Oh, look at all the pomelo. After that rain, these roads are so slippery, so like clay, so it's like skiing. Even you touch the brakes, it just slides. It's a bit scary. Actually, it's not that scary, because worst come to worst, we just land in the mud, but I'm just worried that we have to get back up that hill. Oh my god, it's getting steeper. Oh my. We made it down to the river. I think we took the wrong track. We didn't find the waterfalls. Well, I think, not really sure where we are, but it's gonna be interesting getting back out of here. Look at the mud build up. Another adventure in the Philippines. Oh, someone else is out here, so if they can make it, we can make it. That's a good sign. Well, Koya said there's a waterfall down here, but I'm not sure which way to go. Up or downstream. So either way, it's a beautiful little river. So it's definitely worth a look. It's like waterfall, rivers flowing into rivers and rivers flowing into rivers. Wow, this rock is so unique. I've been to many rivers in the Philippines, but I haven't seen one like this. Oh, Queenie's found something beautiful. Uh-oh. Wow, when I met Queenie, she's such a province girl, she didn't want to leave the house. She's turning into a real little adventurer. Look at her, she's taken off. Oh my god. We gotta try and keep up now. Sana, oh. I created a new adventure. Actually, I'm glad Queenie's having fun, but it's starting to rain again. I'm actually a bit worried about how we're gonna go getting out of that track. It's so slippery. It's like ice. And we only got road tires on that bike. Ow. I will enjoy this river while I'm here at the moment. Wow, this is beautiful. This must have been created by the water cutting through the rocks for who knows how long. It's like a natural gorge. Wow. It started raining again, as you can see, so that's our tactic. We got that dry bag, so we just take our clothes off, put it in the dry bag and wait for it to go over. But just wanted to show you this rock formation. It almost looks like it's man-made. Ah, it's really unique. Alright. Well, it's raining now. I'm already wet, so let's go jump in. There's heaps of fish in there. Oh my god. Woohoo! Okay, I'm so glad Queen's been swimming now, so you can enjoy places like this. Woohoo! Done it all. I got like a leg out each side. I do. Get that on camera. There's actually heaps of little fish in here. Wow. I've never seen this before. Something unique. Woohoo! Salamat, Philippines. Hey Dave! Okay, action. Oh.
1, 2, 3, go!
Yeah, just so brave. Well, I'm proud she jumped, but that took like 10 minutes of filming to get that. I hope it's good footage. We're all clean after our swim, so let's see how clean we end up after that track. I think it's gonna be Marty, but I don't want to tell Queenie yet. Let's see. So beautiful around here. Look at these weird, strange grasses growing along this river. Oh, maybe a horse. Sometimes when we're walking around in the jungle like this, you really feel like you're in a lost world. It's so clear, you can see the little fishes swimming around. It's a nice dress you got there, Queenie. recording? Okay, this is gonna be interesting. Challenging. I knew it was gonna be tricky. I'm gonna send Queenie off so she can get some of this on camera. So slippery. Like that. Go up the side there.
Okay.
Well, either way, you choose your own path. I think it's better up there.
I have to walk. So muddy. Slippery. Go, Owen. You can do it!
My buck is struggling. In there.
Sweet.
It's stuck in there. Lucky you're here. I didn't know what was happening. The stick is in there. It's like brake. Oh my god. I'm so lucky that you came along. Yeah, that's what's stopping it.
You try.
Okay, salamat kuya. Once again I'm saved by the Filipino. Thank you. Yeah, that's what it was. The mud built up. Brakes.
I'm scared.
Jump off, Queenie.
Stop. You drink.
Again. Oh my god, we don't get out without you, kuya. I think if I didn't meet you, I'm stuck down the bottom.
Okay, go.
He stay here. Maybe We better buy Koya a drink, Queenie, because he saved us. I need a drink too.
Hindi ka mapagsuod na mga uwan.
Do you have any cold drinks, Ate?
Kuya?
Okay, we get this one, Ate. And some glasses. We share. Ooh, pressure. Oh. Okay, cool.
Thank you.
Salamat. Thank you.
Papayan makainom. Wala to. Tumama yung dito. Ang kanay.
I never driven in mud like this before, so I didn't know that happened. I sure am lucky that I met you, Koya. Otherwise, I'm stuck down the bottom for sure. Thank you so much. Oh, Rose. Thank you so much, and we really liked your place there. So we'll come back again, but next time we will walk down. Too dangerous to ride. Bye, kids.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye lang.
Bye
Bye-bye.
bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.